Jessica. I know that's on the video.
You cannot say that. Oh my god. This is like childproof land, okay?
This is my video. I can say whatever I want. Exactly.
This is very relaxing.
How did you feel? Like, was it really like a free experience?
Well, I'm scared of Ferris wheels.
Don't you wish Amy was here right now?
Yes. I miss you, Amy.
Miss you, Amy. We love you. Wish you were here. Fine.
Just before that, check the seatbelts again, please. Check the seatbelt. Pull it.
You can't see!
Oh my god.
Breathe and floaters. Look at you can see everywhere. It's so
I wish it was facing that way though.
I'm really upset about my bad hair day now. At least I didn't have to pee this time. Oh. That was perfect. Check your seatbelt one more time. I'm like, dude,
I was like, you've got to be
are you being
joking me.
serious right now? Dude, that's not even cool. Because he's got to put us on the post. Amber's freaking out right now. She goes, why are we just sitting here?
I'll leave you up there.
I was having fun floating.